The bridge without nails. Deep in the forest, a wide, rushing river divided the animal kingdom into two. On one side lived rabbits, deer, and squirrels, while on the other were foxes, raccoons, and hedgehogs. They wanted to build a wooden bridge to visit each other, but there was a problem. They had no vines, nails, or ropes to hold the bridge together. How can we build a bridge without nails? The animals wondered. One evening, Bella the rabbit was hopping near the riverbank. Suddenly, she saw a soft, glowing light coming from the trees. Out stepped a magical unicorn with a mane that sparkled like rainbows and a horn that shimmered with golden light. Who are you? Bella asked, her nose twitching nervously.
I am Nyx, the forest unicorn,
said the creature in a voice like a gentle breeze.
I can help you build your bridge without nails, but you must trust me.
Trust you? How?
Asked Bella.
Gather all the animals tomorrow and bring the wooden planks to the river. I will show you the magic of trust.
Nyx replied. The next day, Bella told the other animals about the unicorn. Some, like the foxes and raccoons, were suspicious.
A unicorn? Sounds like a fairy tale,
they muttered. But when Nyx appeared by the river, glowing and magnificent, everyone went silent. Nyx stepped forward.
I am Nyx, the forest unicorn. Follow my instructions and together we can build the strongest bridge in the forest. Lay the planks across the river.
She instructed. The animals worked together to arrange the wood into a bridge.
Now, hold pause and close your eyes.
Nyx said.
Trust me, and my magic will do the rest.
The animals hesitated. Rabbits and foxes rarely trusted each other. Squirrels and raccoons often argued. Could they really hold paws and trust? Slowly, one by one, they linked paws and closed their eyes. Nyx's horn began to glow brighter and brighter. A soft golden light floated down from her horn, wrapping the wooden planks in shimmering threads of magic. When the animals opened their eyes, the bridge stood firm, strong, and beautiful, without a single nail. The animals cheered, but their joy was short-lived. The ground shook, and a grumpy grizzly bear emerged from the bushes.
Who built this bridge on my river?
The bear roared. His deep voice rumbled like thunder. The animals cowered.
He's going to tear it down,
whispered a squirrel. But Nyx stepped forward.
Mighty bear,
she said calmly.
This bridge was built with trust, not tricks or traps. Test its strength before you destroy it.
The bear growled but stepped onto the bridge. He stomped his heavy paws, expecting it to crumble, but it held firm. Surprised, he looked at Nyx.
You trusted each other, and even trusted me to walk on it,
the bear said, his voice softening.
No one has ever trusted me before.
Bella hopped forward, her little heart pounding.
Will you help us guard the bridge, Mr. Bear? We trust you'll keep it safe for everyone.
The bear's grumpy face broke into a smile.
Yes, little rabbit. I'll guard this bridge with all my strength.
From that day on, the bear became the bridge's protector. The animals crossed freely, sharing food, stories, and laughter. The bridge shimmered in the moonlight, a reminder that trust binds relationships stronger than force, even nails. Thanks for watching, my friends. Like, share and subscribe for more wonderful stories every Saturday and Sunday. Until then, take care.